Assalamu alaikum. Once again, I would like to welcome to all of you in my channel with a new video. Today we are going to show you how you can easily make a variable power supply unit for your DI electronic project, or also if you are a ham radio operator, then it will be a good DI power supply unit for your own base radio station. Before starting make this, you need some equipment this is the DC 12 volt 0.14 ampere fan, one tester, few cable tie and one nose plus, and the main equipment is this variable power supply unit. Easily you can buy from your nearest electronic shops. 12 volt 10 ampere, 12 volt 20 ampere, 12 volt 30 ampere based on your requirement. Okay, here I am using 12 volt 6.3 ampere. Also you can see the input voltage is 115 volt AC, also to 30 volt AC in and output 12 volt and 6.3 ampere. Okay, already I have completed the process. Now I am just showing you how I have make this. At first you need to take 4 cable tie and insert this power supply cabinet ventilation hole like this way, and using somewhere you can easily pull the head like this way. Okay, here you can see I have make 4 this way. Then I have took this screw hole and pull out the cable tie like this. Here you can see I have used 2 DC fan, one is here and another is on the top. Okay, if you are using high voltage, that will make more heat this power supply unit. That's why you need to high power DC fan. Here I am using 2 small DC fan, and there is the circuit diagram. There is the line, there is the C neutral come from AC source. There is the ground, this is the negative voltage, this is the positive, and this is the variable potentiometer here. Okay, this using this tweezer tester, this potentiometer, I can adjust to get my required voltage. Now I am showing you how this will run. When you start, this LED will glow. Okay, can see the LED is glow and the both fan is running. Is some cotton. The bottom fan also and the top fan is running smoothly. The reason is main thing to build this. When it will be heat, the hot air will easily get out from this circuit board, so this cabinet through this a little all of this one. Okay, so I don't cut this so that later I can put this additional DC fan using. If you don't need, then just cut from here. If you permanently plan to use one exhaust fan. Okay, thanks to all of you.